Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share your profile link on Discord. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. For that, you have to just simply update your Discord server first from Play Store. So after opening up the Discord, here you have to just simply go to your profile by just tapping on below right corner of your profile. So after coming to your profile, now you guys have to just simply go to the top right corner of settings. So after clicking on settings, now you have to simply scroll down until you're able to find the advanced options. So here is the advanced option. You have to simply click on advanced. So after clicking on advanced, make sure that you have toggled on the developer mode. So after toggling on the developer mode, you have to just simply go back and back. Now you have to simply go to the server sections by just below left corner, and here you have to just simply go to select any of the channel. So after selecting any of the channel, now you have to just simply select any of the channel in the server and make sure you have to send message. So I'm just sending any of the message. So after sending the message, now your profile has displaying here. So you have to just simply click on your profile picture. So after clicking on your profile picture, it will pop up like that. Now you have to just simply click on these three dots. So after clicking on these three dots, now you have to just simply click the copy user ID, which is the second option. So after clicking on that, now you have to just simply go to somewhere which you want to, whom you want to send your profile link. You have to simply go to that and send this. So if someone will search your user ID on Google or Discord, then they will be able to find your profile. Or else you guys can also put the discord.com/user, discord.com/users and /username. So in this way they can also find yourself and your profile on Discord, and in this way you guys can share your profile on Discord. So here's the profile link, and I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.